Hey folks, it's Russ. Welcome to the channel. I get asked all the time whether or not the network marketing company I'm involved with is legit. I get questions, is it a scam? Can I really make money with it? Do I have to worry about rug pulls? Is it here for the long term? And it goes on and on and on. And I totally get that. I understand that people who are in the market to join a network marketing company, they want to do their due diligence to make sure that the potential company that they're are thinking about joining is legit and safe, right? So in this video, I'm going to answer all those questions, and I'm also going to tell you why I believe that gotbackup is the best network marketing company for 2024. Now, if you hear a little bit of chirping or maybe some mimics of my voice, it's our 17-year-old son, Kanye Rascal, who is sitting over here to my right. She's a sweetheart, and sometime I'll have her on video. But right now she's getting ready for cozy time. She has a big coconut that she goes into and just chills out for the night. But anyway, gotbackup is 100% legit. It's 100% safe. It's not a pyramid scheme. You don't have to worry about rug pulls. And it is, in my opinion, the best network marketing company for 2024. Okay? So the parent company, GVO, Global Virtual Opportunities, was started 25 years ago by Joel Terrian. All right, they started up in Quebec, and once they ran out of, they started as a web hosting company, and once they used up all of the city's fiber optics, they had to find a place to relocate. All right, so Joel discovered Schertz, Texas, okay, because this is a data center mecca. There's a lot of tech companies in this area. Amazon has a huge fulfillment center, and there's just a lot of big-time tech companies that are in Schertz, Texas because of the fiber optics, okay? So in 2007, they moved to Schertz, Texas, where they have a 10,000 square foot state-of-the-art data center. It's a debt-free company, all right? Joel's earned over $300 million in his life working online. And the company's not going anywhere, okay? They have other digital products, but gotbackup is their newest one that was launched in April of this year, all right? And why I believe that gotbackup is the best network marketing company for 2024 is because not only is it backed by a 25-year-old debt-free company and an owner that knows what he's doing, but it's a digital product. Okay, it's a product that every single person who owns a cell phone, a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, they need this product. So there's nobody else in the network marketing industry doing what we're doing like in gotbackup, okay? Now there are other data storage software providers out there. You have Dropbox, you have iCloud, you have Google Drive, and there's a whole bunch of other ones. And it's not that we're better than these other companies, but we provide way more value than these other companies, okay? So for example, for $9.99 a month, Dropbox will give you 2 terabytes of data storage space, and it's good for you, all right? So you get 2 terabytes of data. You can use the account by, just for yourself, and it's $9.99 a month. Now, gotbackup, we're going to give you 6 terabytes of data. You can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. You can share it with up to 5 other people. They don't have to be family, and they don't even have to be living in the same house. So you can have a total of 6 accounts, and it's $9.97 a month. And just to put 6 terabytes into perspective, that holds about 12 million photos. All right, so it's enough space for yourself and 5 other people, all right? I mean, there's very few people that are ever going to use that amount of space. On top of that, we have a full collaboration tool in the back, okay? So you can share files, videos, whatever it is, pictures, whatever it is that you have with other people. They don't have to be a member of gotbackup. But if you're working on a team, and you collaborate, you can set up all kinds of stuff inside this back office and share it with other people. All right, we have a complete business tool suite where you can create files, spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations. There's a whiteboard in the back. You can do all of that. and share that as well for $9.97 a month. Now, the cool part is you can pay a one-time $20 reseller fee and become a reseller, okay? So with that one-time $20 fee, you're going to get a complete marketing tool suite where you get everything you need. You get capture pages, you get ad copy, you get banners, you get videos. We have trainings throughout the week. We have webinars. We have all kinds of things, okay, for a one-time $20 fee. Now, this one-time $20 reseller fee allows you the opportunity to go and share this awesome software with other people and earn commissions. And there's nobody else in the industry doing this, okay? Dropbox doesn't pay commissions. Google doesn't pay commissions. And all the other ones, they don't pay commissions, okay? And they don't give you the amount of space that we give you either. So again, it's not that we're better than these other companies. We just provide way more value. And when I'm talking about value, I mean value, folks, okay? Because when you become a reseller, you're also going to get a lead capture system, which minimum, that's going to cost you $25 a month outside of this opportunity. You know, if you were going to use Aweber or MailChimp or GetResponse or one of the other autoresponder systems, you get a complete, fully functional lead capture system with your $9.97 a month membership and the one-time $20 reseller fee, okay? So this is an awesome opportunity because anybody in the world, okay, like I said, we just launched in April, but we're already in 124 countries with over 30,000 members, okay? And people are just starting to hear about us. We're really in the momentum phase right now, so things are starting to pick up. We have hundreds of people joining this every day now, and it's just going to be crazy in the future. Our goal is to be at 1 million users by the end of next year, all right? And I'm thinking we're going to be even more than that. So if you're looking for a way to supplement your income or replace your 9-to-5 income, then this opportunity is something you want to check out. And I have a link below this video that you can click on and take a free tour. All right, it'll take you over to a page with a 6-minute video. It goes into more detail about this entire opportunity and the company and how everything works. If it's something that resonates with you, you can simply enter your name and email address and click in lock in my position, and it will take you to a temporary back office, which will allow you the opportunity to learn more about this company, take a tour of the data center in Schertz, Texas, and then you can join from that page as well. When you join my team, all right, we have a huge team growing right now. When you join my team, Team Black Diamond, you're going to get all of my contact information. I'm available 24/7, except for when I'm sleeping, obviously. But you can always call me, email me, message me. I'm here to help you succeed. I'm here to help all of our team succeed. And our team is on fire right now, okay? So this is an opportunity that is going to be around for a long time. It's not going anywhere. And it's something that you really need to check out because, as they say, data is the new oil. And this is just going to blow up, folks, okay? It's just going to blow up. So that, just to recap everything, we launched in April. It's backed by a 25-year-old parent company that's debt-free. We have our own state-of-the-art data center in Schertz, Texas. We have 6 terabytes of data for $9.97 a month. You can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. You can share it with up to 5 other people for a total of 6 accounts. And we have an affiliate program, or you can earn commissions by sharing this with other people. So just a quick breakdown of how the commissions work. All your personal directs, you earn 200% commissions your first month. After somebody stays in after their first month, you're going to earn 25% commissions for each month that they stay an active member. And we have a 94% retention rate right now. So 94 out of 100 people stay with this. They don't quit or give up or stop using the services, okay? You're always going to have a small percent, but 94% retention rate in network marketing is unheard of, okay? On top of that, you're going to get a 25% monthly check match for all your personal directs. So if you go and sign somebody up who makes $1,000 a month, you're going to earn $250 just because they're your direct referral, and you get the 25% check match, okay? Outside of that, we also have a binary. So what the company does at the end of each month, they take 25% of the net profits and they distribute that throughout our binary. All right, and I have other videos. Check out my YouTube channel, and I have a one on the compensation plan. And if you have any questions about any of this, you can leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So again, I really 100% with all my heart believe that gotbackup, being a digital product where anyone in the world can access this and start a business, a global business, for a one-time $20 reseller fee and only $9.97 a month, this is going to be the best network marketing company for 2024. All right, it's not going anywhere. This will be a billion-dollar company in the very near future. Okay? So again, if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. And I also appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my videos and support my channel. All right, so I look forward to working with you and I look forward to helping you build a global business with passive income so you can go on and have time freedom and live the life that you dream of, okay? So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.